The commercial landscape where they used black mulch. Black mulch is fir bark that's been treated with a very, very strong dye. It's non-toxic. It's environmentally responsible material, and it makes use of material that would have gone to a landfill by coloring it. The color won't break down. It'll stay this dark. The wood, though, does break down, so you need to be prepared to replace the black mulch on an annual basis. And here they paired it up with some 1-inch by 3-inch Arizona river rock to make a little drainage area. So the colors come out really well. The black highlights the burgundy and maroon and other colors. The Arizona river rock works really well against the grasses in the landscape. There's beautiful sedges. So that's a really effective use of a medium-priced material like Arizona river rock, and a very low-cost material, the black wood mulch. Here's some larger pieces of Arizona river rock were put in to kind of stabilize it heading into the drainage basin. Daylilies, hemerocallis, blue fescue looks great against the mulch.